Now I'm gonna show you how to do this when you don't have a microwave, or more importantly, when you don't want a microwave. Now, what am I doing? What am I doing with microwave popcorn without a microwave? That's a good question. So after you cut the sack open, the bag, empty all of the contents in the pot. And these are mini bags. So I'm gonna do 3 of these mini bags. Well, I'm doing 3 because that's what I got, what I have. Now, what am I doing with my microwavable popcorn without a microwave? Um, Believe it or not, I think my mom's gave me this popcorn. And why don't I have a microwave? I don't want one. I'm not with all the conspiracy theories that are out there, but I don't want one. I like living without a microwave. I think we have too many conveniences that we really don't need or appreciate having. And I think for me, a microwave was one of them. Now I'm gonna jazz it up a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Orville Redenbacher popping oil in there. And the first lady is the popcorn queen. She eats a bag of popcorn often. You know, trumpet. I'm also gonna do something. What you cooking on, Tiff? You on high or low? Oh, she starts on high, then crank it down. That's why I messed up. But also, I have a secret weapon that I put in my popcorn. Cuddy, cuddy. I love cuddy, and so I sprinkle cuddy in my popcorn. And you know what? I carved this wooden spoon probably 8, 9 years ago, and it's been faithful ever since. My smart friend, well, the first time he saw it, he was, I don't know, you know, but it almost offended me. But when I told him I carved it myself, you know, I got a little satisfaction out of knowing that, you know, sort of like the hokey pokey. I use this angle of the camera because sometimes I want to make stuff a short, but I realize that, you know, I don't know. Sous chef came home with this stuff. It's coconut candy. Man, we popping already? Oh, ooh, ah, ooh, and it's really good. Ain't nothing but sugar. Now, what I should have did was put the curry first, but that's a lot of curry. But you know how that go. All right, now we eating popcorn. And you might remember the movie, you might not. But there's an iconic movie where he eats popcorn with his chopsticks. His name was Bruce Leroy. And you probably remember the movie was The Last Dragon. I was a little bitty kid. I was like, no way. Yes way. It'll help you eat slower too. And you'll get good with chopsticks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And thanks for all you do. We make a good team. We're about to hit 400 subscribers, and we're really excited about that. And we appreciate every one of you. And when you comment on the videos, we all learn from them, you know? So that's why I always say thanks for commenting. Because whether we agree or not, a comment is a good thing. All right. I'm ready to use my hand now. Don't tell Sous Chef I was using her good chopsticks either. See, I'm still using that mineral oil that I was telling you about to soak some more wooden items. It's doing great. Let me get back to this. Later.